A sarpanch has been shot dead in Sopore in Jammu and Kashmir by terrorists while he was returning home. Meanwhile, the chairman of the J&K Panchayat Conference has blamed the Omar government for these repeated sarpanch killings.
सरपंचों पे जो अटैक हो रहे हैं
आज भी एक मारा गया
क्या परिणाम?
देखिए, अफसोस की बात है और हमारी कोशिश रहेगी कि सुरक्षा के जो इंतजामात हैं उनको और कड़ी की जाए वहाँ पे। ये शायद अभी तो किसके हाथों हुआ है, किन कारणों से हुआ है, उस पर अभी फिलहाल तो कुछ कहना गलत होगा।
Shafiq, can you tell us more about this sarpanch who has been killed by the terrorists? I came to know that he was also a part of the meeting which was held recently regarding this empowerment of the panchayat which you had in Jammu.
As you know that the deceased identified as Habibullah Mir, who has been killed by the terrorists by today only, he was the senior leader of Jammu and Kashmir Panchayat Conference, and he was the person who had attended a conference organized by Jammu and Kashmir Panchayat Conference on 27th of November, in which a resolution regarding the 73rd amendment was passed at Jammu. And he was also one of the active members of the Panchayat Conference who had threatened back to the Sayyid Salahuddin and who had refused to resign over the dictates of the Sayyid Salahuddin. He was a very brave person, though he was a very much old man. He was 70 years old. Our hearts are broken today. We will take decision in this regard within the coming 2 days.
Whom you hold responsible for this killing, Shafiq?
Exactly, Jammu and Kashmir state is responsible because we have already told them if anything happens after our representations, government of Jammu and Kashmir will be responsible. This time, government of Jammu and Kashmir is responsible because we have given them repeated representations regarding the security and safety of the panchayat leaders. And this is the first time that a senior leader of Jammu and Kashmir Panchayat Conference has been targeted by the terrorist organizations.
What surely you feel is the reason for the Jammu and Kashmir government not to provide security?
In fact, Jammu and Kashmir government is irritative with the Panchayat Conference leaders, particularly Jammu and Kashmir Panchayat Conference, because this is the organization which raised the issue of empowerment in the state of Jammu and Kashmir, which the government of Jammu and Kashmir do not want to delegate. And this is the organization which is being targeted from both the sides. At one side it is being targeted by the government, and on other side it is being targeted by the terrorists. Terrorists think that we are the organization, this is our organization which threatened them back, which asked the panches and sarpanches not to resign on the dictates of the terrorists. On the other side, the government of Jammu and Kashmir feels that this is the only organization which raises the issues of the empowerment, which raises the issue of the democracy in the state of Jammu and Kashmir, which they do not want to delegate.
One last question, Shafiq. Now, what is your demand?
Our demand is to lodge murder charges against the government of Jammu and Kashmir, because government of Jammu and Kashmir is responsible for this murder, because we have already given them number of representations to provide the security at least to the senior leaders of the Jammu and Kashmir Panchayat Council, which have not been provided.
Omar Abdullah from time to time said that it is not possible for the state government to provide security to each and every sarpanch.
If Omar Abdullah is not in position to provide safety and security to the panches and sarpanches of the state, he should ask to the panches and sarpanches to resign. Either he should resign immediately because he has failed to provide his duties, to perform his duties rather.
और हमारे सीनियर साथी को मार दिया है, हम उस पे बहुत दुख प्रकट कर रहे हैं और इस सरकार को कंडेम करते हैं। बिल्कुल फेल हो गया है और ये किसी काम का चीफ मिनिस्टर नहीं और ना ये सरकार है। हम कहते हैं कि इसको अभी जो है निकाल के बाहर कर देना चाहिए।
ये जो जम्मू कश्मीर की सरकार है, इसने आज तक पंचायत वालों या सरपंचों का कोई बंदोबस्त नहीं किया। आज हमें अफसोस है, हमारा जम्मू कश्मीर का सीनियर लीडर को कत्ल किया गया है मिली टन्नू ने। मैं ये पूछता हूँ उमर साहब से, अफसोस जो लोग जम्मू कश्मीर या हिंदुस्तान के खिलाफ हैं, आप उनको जहाज़ों में लेकर पाकिस्तान या के बैरून मुल्क में सैर करा रहे हैं। आज हमारे जो सरपंच साहिबान हैं उनको बिला वजह कत्ल किया जाता। मैं ये कहता हूँ उमर अब्दुल्ला को आज ही चाहिए रिजाइन देना चाहिए। कि बड़ी अफसोस की ये बात है, ये जुल्म हो रहा है।